Are you using Brave browser but don't want to use its current search engine? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change the search engine on Brave browser. Let's get started. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Once Brave is open, look at the top right corner of the browser. Click on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From the menu, click on Settings. Now, look at the menu on the left side and click on Search Engine. Under Search Engine, look for the option to change your default search engine. Click Change, and you will see the available search engines. Now, simply select the one you want to use. Let's make sure it worked. Click on the address bar at the top of Brave and type something to search. Press Enter, and Brave should now use your default search engine. And that's it. Brave should now perform the search using your newly selected default search engine.